you trade futures on interactive brokers? So futures trading, it sounds intimidating, right? But if you've poked around interactive brokers, you've probably seen the option and wondered if it's actually doable. Short answer, yes, you can trade futures on interactive brokers. And not just the big contracts. There's access to micro and mini futures too. People on Reddit and Quora say it's one of the most robust platforms out there for futures. The margin requirements are higher than some competitors, but the commissions are low, like really low. We're talking $0 and 25 cents to $0 and 85 cents per contract depending on volume. That's a win for active traders. The platform itself, Trader Workstation, is powerful, but it's not exactly beginner-friendly. You'll need to spend time learning it. There's a learning curve, no doubt. Some users say it feels like flying a plane when all you wanted was a scooter. Others love the depth and control it gives them. You can customize your layout, run complex strategies, and even automate trades. If you're serious about futures, it's worth the effort. Now, the downside. IBKR's approval process for futures trading can be a bit much. You'll need to verify your financials, answer a bunch of questions, and wait. Also, the margin requirements can be steep. One Reddit user said they needed $3,500 just to trade one micro contract. That's not pocket change. And if you're hoping for slick charting tools, you might be disappointed. The built-in charts are functional but not flashy. Some traders use third-party platforms for better visuals. Bottom line, interactive brokers is great for futures if you're not afraid of complexity. It's not the easiest or the prettiest, but it's powerful, cheap, and global. If you're just starting out, maybe try paper trading first. But if you're ready to dive deep, IBKR has the tools. Just bring patience and maybe coffee.